All right, so we're going to look at some Unit 2 review in Desmos. I'm going to go over some examples and show you how to solve these in Desmos. So this very first one, determine the x and y intercept. Let me zoom in a little bit. For the equation negative 8x plus 10y equals 50. So what you want to go is go to Desmos and see testing. You know you're at the right spot if your calculator has this green bar up the top and it says the North Carolina test version. Also, what you might want to do is split screen. So I I made that window smaller, and then I'm going to drag Desmos side by side so that I can look at the problem I'm working on and type it in at the same time. So what I want to do is type in this equation. It's a negative 8x plus 10y. I'm just typing it in equals 50. So when I do that, I can see this graph of this line, and what I wanted was the x and y intercept. The x-intercept is where this red line is going to cross this x-axis, and notice a little gray dot pops up. So that's what I want to click on. So that x-intercept is negative 6.25. The y-intercept is going to be where this red line crosses this y-axis, and it is represented by a gray dot as well. So you can click there, and it stays as a 5. So those are your answers. Your x-intercept was negative 6.25. The y-intercept was a 5. That's it. We can go over one more example. Determine the x and y intercept for the equation below. So we want, again, all you have to do is type in this equation. We have 6x plus 12y equals negative 48. And then we're just going to click. The x-intercept is where this blue line crosses the x-axis. The x-axis is the one that's horizontal, and that would be a negative 8. The y-intercept is going to be where this blue line crosses that y-axis, and that would be a negative 4. So finding the x and y-intercept is just clicking the appropriate places where those occur in Desmos. It's that easy.